guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Misha and I do makeup tutorials. So today I decided to do this fall inspired look for you guys using this new Nomad Cosmetics Berlin Underground palette. So this just launched on October 1st, so 2 days ago, and I actually just checked my mail, so sorry I'm a little late, you guys, and I'm sorry that I haven't been uploading as frequently as I said I would, because it's starting to become very busy here in Vegas for like holiday season and like weddings and stuff, so please bear with me. But this palette is super pretty, especially for the fall. There's like a range of colors, so you could do cool tones, and then I also like that there are a lot of like warmer tones. And yeah, you guys, so if you want to see how to do this look, then please keep on watching. As always, I'm going to be using Painterly Paint Pot from MAC to prime my eyes for our eyeshadow today, and I'm just using this flat synthetic concealer brush. Any brush will do. And to set that primer, I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution Luxury Baking Powder in the color Ghost. And for my transition shade, I love to use MAC's Give Me Sun Bronzer. I just feel like it's the perfect transition shade for any look that you're going to do, and it's super easy to blend on top of it. So if you haven't tried it yet, definitely go ahead and try it. I promise it's going to be like your new favorite transition shade. Taking this crown brush, I'm going to be using this warm brown shade. You guys, I'm not sure how to pronounce these names. They are literally so hard. I feel like they're like not even in English. Wherever Berlin is, hey girl, that's exactly where the names are named after. So I'm sorry, Nomad Cosmetics, if you're watching this and I can't pronounce it, but I'm just putting this warm like toned brown in my crease with this crown brush right where we laid the Give Me Sun, and I'm just going to be doing this back and forth just so that way the color is as intense as I want it. Now taking my NYX glitter primer, I'm going to be using this to prime for the lid color, and I'm just taking this dark reddish color, I think it's called Tatchless, I don't know, and I'm just focusing this on the outer corner of my eye first, and you're going to see that I'm patting it on, and then I'm going in with a fluffier blending brush and blending the edge to soften it. And throughout the whole entire video, I'm pretty much going to be doing the same exact steps. So I'm building the color and then I'm blending it, and this is just going to ensure that the color is super pigmented, but it's also super blended and soft, because you want to add some color in there, but you don't want it to be like, oh my god girl, like I see where you put that color, like, you know what I'm saying. So you want to just kind of like work slowly. You can always add more. Going in with this really pretty shade called Helden, I'm just packing this like yellowish gold color on the front part of my lid, and I'm doing the same exact technique. So I'm kind of just like patting it and then blending it, and I love this color, you guys. It's so pretty. It just reminds me so much of fall. It like reminds me of like a pumpkin. Wait, no, pumpkin's orange, but like fall vibes. Definitely fall vibes. It's so pretty. I'm obsessed. So now I'm just adding this color right in the tear duct, and I'm going to be lining my eyes with this nude eye pencil because I feel like it makes my eyes appear a little bit rounder instead of using a black eyeliner on the waterline. And for my lower lash line, I'm just taking this like deep purple shade and I'm smoking it out with that brown color. For my lashes, I'm going to be using the style Majestic, and these are from Shop Lash Dreams. I will go ahead and leave their Instagram link down below, and I have a discount code with them too if you guys are interested in saving a little bit of money. For my highlight, I'm going to be using the new Fenty Beauty How Many Carats highlighter that she just came out with. And to set my skin, I'm going to be using Max Fix Plus. and taking a Makeup Shack sponge, I'm just going to be pressing that into my skin just to finish everything off. Alright you guys, that is it for today's video. If you guys like this look, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. And Ollie! And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!